Today we're illustrating the letters and the word home in a fun way. We're going to get right into it with the H, turning it into a house. And what I've done to make it a little bit different is to add this little front porch that angles out. And on the roof I put this little bumped scalloped border. And I'm also going to make that roof line thicker so it really stands out. I put the letters also in thick so they stand out so you see them and you can do them in a different color. So I'm making sure the top of the windows and the top of the door even up and the windows are even on the bottom. And then there's one big window on the second floor. You can customize that however you want, maybe a half circle. And because it is a home, I put a little heart and I'm going to add some value to it with some cross hatching on the overhang of the porch. Another fun thing I thought for home that would be a little different was it's where you do your laundry. So we've turned the O into the window on the washing machine, and those circles are basically in a square, and then the top is a little bit rounded where the controls are on the top, whatever you can fit in for the little controls. The M is super simple, but I did stretch the M out to become the envelope, and you could just do the envelope, but I decided to do an overlapping piece of mail behind it where I include the stamp and the return address. And the E, the home is where your pet is, so I've turned it into a simple dog. You can do so many different things with the ears, but I chose to just do a super simple fun style with them sticking out. And my feet, I have them poking forward at the bottom and a little tail, so you get the idea. And of course you can add color to them or value to them any way you want. I did really simple here. And there's your home, simple as that. Remember to make it your own. See you next time.